In this video, we will discuss monthly budget. You can create new budget by clicking this new budget button, and here you can enter the budget name. You can select the fiscal year, and here you can select the monthly for budget period. You can add accounts. After that, you can create the budget. Now, if you select budget period as monthly, you can view the monthly period in this financial year. Now, if you have created yearly budget, we will select budget with the yearly. Now here for this period we have only one column to enter values. However, if you select monthly, you can view the 12 months in the financial year. Now here you can enter month-wise sales. Now if your income is volatile, it depends on the period, you can use a monthly budget. For an example, if you are in tourism industry, some periods you have high revenue, but some periods your revenue will be low. So if your operation is not constant, you can use this monthly budget. After you create the budget, you can enter value like this. You can enter income and expenses, and you can enter 12 months like this. You can enter, and there are few options we can discuss. Now you can use this autofill option, and you can enter amount. Assume you have entered 10,000, then it will apply equally to all months. By using autofill, you can enter the monthly value and it will apply for all months. Next, there's another option. You can click this autofill, and from here you can see select adjustment amount. Here you can enter amount, adjustment amount, and you can enter the first period amount. Now you can see every month it will increase by 100 rupees. First period value is 10,000. Every month it will increase by 100. There's another option. You can click autofill, and here you can select adjustment percentage. You can enter the percentage here, and you can enter the first period amount. Now you can see we have selected 10% increase in every period. You can see that each period 10% will increase. Like that, you can increase your values. Next, we will try reduce values. Previous example, we have discussed increase. Now values will decrease. You can see first period is 10,000. if you enter minus 100, it will reduce. And also, if you use adjustment percentage, we will try minus 10. Now you can see that values decreasing. Like that, you can use this autofill option to fill these values. After you enter income, and you can enter cost of sales, expenses. You can add those values, and you can view the total income, cost of sales, total expenses, and total profit. After that, you can save this. You can save the budget, and you can view the budget versus actual. Right. You can view budget value, actual values, and you can view the variance for all 12 months period. Like this, month-wise, you can view, and you can view the total also. Like that, you can create your budgets, and you can view that budget versus actual. And you can export this report to PDF, Excel, or you can export to Zoho sheet. You can print, or you can share this report. Like that, you can create your budget. Now you can create 2 budgets, and you can practice this as a homework. Please create 2 budgets.